How can you legally possess an NFA item inherited from an estate? Have you ever wondered what happens to firearms regulated under the National Firearms Act when someone passes away? Specifically, how can you legally possess an NFA item inherited from an estate? Let's break it down step by step to make it clear and straightforward. First, it is essential to understand what NFA items are. These are firearms that requiring special permits and taxes for ownership. Common examples include silencers, short-barreled rifles, and machine guns. Because of their regulated status, handling them after someone's death involves specific legal steps. When an estate includes NFA items, the executor plays a crucial role. The executor is responsible for managing these firearms until they are transferred to the rightful heirs. It is vital that the executor maintains custody and control of these items during this process. To transfer NFA items to heirs, the executor must file a specific form known as ADF Form 5. This form is used for tax-exempt transfers, such as those to lawful heirs. The Bureau of Alcohol, Tobacco, Firearms, and Explosives must approve this form before the firearms can be distributed. Now, who qualifies as a lawful heir? Lawful heirs are individuals named in the deceased person's will, or, if there is no will, those entitled to inherit under state law. These individuals can receive NFA items without having to pay transfer taxes, which is a significant advantage. Once the Bureau of Alcohol, Tobacco, Firearms, and Explosives approves the transfer, the heir must register the NFA item in their name. Until this registration process is complete, the executor must keep possession of the firearms. This is crucial to avoid any legal issues. What if the estate contains unregistered NFA items? Unfortunately, these cannot be registered after the decedent's death. In such cases, the executor must arrange for these items to be abandoned to the Bureau of Alcohol, Tobacco, Firearms, and Explosives to avoid legal consequences. If the heir lives in a different state, NFA items can still be transferred across state lines. However, all transfers must comply with federal regulations, so it is essential to follow the rules carefully. From a conservative viewpoint, the process of inheriting and possessing NFA items highlights the importance of following federal regulations while respecting the rights of lawful heirs. Many emphasize the need for responsible gun ownership and compliance with existing laws to ensure public safety while protecting Second Amendment rights. By understanding these steps and requirements, you can navigate the legal landscape of inheriting NFA items with confidence.